In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email notifications when new comments are added in Trello through Trello Gmail integration. Let's make sure you're always in the loop about the latest discussions happening in your Trello boards. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily manage email alerts for new comments. First, open up your web browser and head over to Trello's website by typing in trello.com. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you will find the login button. Click on it to proceed. This will direct you to the login page where you can access your Trello account. Now you have a couple of options to log in. You can either use your email address and password or log in with your Google account for a quicker and easier access. Choose whichever method suits you best and get logged into your Trello account. Once you're successfully logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of your Trello dashboard. Here you'll find your account avatar or initials. Click on this to produce a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Settings to proceed to your account settings page. On this page, you will see various sections for different account settings. Scroll through until you locate the Email Notifications section. This area is especially crucial if you're keen on receiving timely updates about any new comments added in your Trello boards. Within this Email Notifications section, you'll notice an option to set the frequency of notifications. Make sure to adjust this setting to instantly to ensure you receive email alerts the moment a new comment is added. This is particularly useful if you need to respond promptly to discussions or tasks involving your Trello boards. The final step involves ensuring you're actually subscribed to comments notifications. In the same email notifications section, you'll find a checkbox labeled Comments. Click on this checkbox to activate email notifications specifically for new comments. This means any time someone adds a new comment, you'll get an email notification right away. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have set up your Trello account to send you email notifications whenever a new comment is made. This integration with Gmail can be a real game changer in keeping you informed and engaged, ensuring you never miss a crucial update in your Trello boards. Happy tracking and thanks for watching.